What? Hear me, man. Oh, the world is not a plot. You just what you are going, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already when I come for represent. A full effect thing, man. You don't know what go when I load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about here. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrify one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me now, nation people. Can I flip the script? Yes. Sure do. Hear me now. Right now. My sister the world boss. Turn dancehall upside in down. Him and the gully god. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to roll out the red carpet. But make sure I tell you something. Don't ask me how I know, you know. Because we not do snitching. Not time at all. Not even for playing. Hear me I say. Look out for the collaboration. It forwarding soon. It soon drop a road. The gully god bomb buckler Vybz kartel. Now give me thing there in my game now and a lollipop thing there night. People, I don't know if it now happen, I now say so. I now ask you now, tell you something. The Vybz kartel mavado soon drop a road. And remember, the night of October, so the general, the 10-star one, did make you know that. Anyway, hear me now. Right now, I see the world boss a Vybz to mavado this song. And all, not only that, the dog double down upon it. Because the dog even all the money pull up upon the blood clot this song. Yo, are the first one you ever see that in a bumbo clot dancehall. Tell me which part you ever bumbo clot see that before in a dancehall. No lollipop thing that about it. So the world boss I make you know say no hate is round here. I know about love. Even him rivalry. Him all a show crazy love. So is it the world boss is a change man? Or is it the world boss find growth? Eh? Let me tell you something. I saw real man flex. You hear that? Real man no work with feelings. You hear that? No gimmicks business not that about it now, no lollipop thing there in my game. Real man no work with feelings. Real man no deal with them type of shisky bag thing there. So, after a storm there is a calm. Naturally, actually, and fracturally, no gimmicks thing not that about it, Gaza nation. So the world boss big up mavado to the fullest and pull up him truck and shell down the whole of bumbo clock, make a flat. No gimmicks thing not in it. The way the G represent, a real way. You know what I mean? Gaza way they ain't no other way. The G I use love and I blind them. Them never expect it. Them not have nothing bad for say. And when them not have nothing bad for say, I see people are try to drop on the man girl. And I try for evil go like them can disrespect the man girl. That's what I say. Because them can't find nothing bad about the G for say. Everything the G do for them step out of the penitentiary. I be a tricky man get feet, my brother. No lollipop thing that in my game, no gimmicks thing that they did about it. Everything the G draw for them stepped out of the penitentiary until now, I be a ticky. What I say? The whole bumbo clot world amazed, especially Jamaica. No gimmicks bumbo clot thing that in my game, no lollipop thing that in it. And then we watch the gully god himself on an interview and make you know, say him is a man, him glad, say the G Vybz kartel free. You see what I say? Because a long time them a try hold long ghetto youth. Him not start there, so him double down upon it. Him go over Guyana, go shell with the whole of over bumbo clock Guyana and tell Guyana say, yo, The long time, them want to find him in a Jamaica. Them want to prison him. But him say, the world boss free. So him know say, them can't stop ghetto youth. And them for go suck out them mother. And rise up in big song and burn down Guyana flat. No lollipop thing not in it, no gimmicks thing not in it. So the G them a work real way. This is what I say, and people can't believe it. What a blood clot relief from a new assistant breeze. No gimmicks thing not in it. When let me look forward to see something like that. Last time something like that happened, a beanie man and bumbo clock bounty killer. But nothing surprised me. Because guess what? In a mavado early career, I was a local youth where Vybz Kartel check for and have him in a vehicle front. Drive up all over Jamaica with him and still written 5 songs for put him on road. So the door act like the link was all about bumbo clot war. The link start out with real, genuine respect and love. Cause alliance, the G them say, until musically, you see what I say? 2 bull can't reel in a one end, in a one pen. No lollipop thing that they about it. Yeah, 2 bull couldn't reel in a one pen. So the world boss did have to make him departure. You see me? And leave Killer and the Alliance gang. And because you know Killer not sit well with them shit there. You see what I say? The world boss did have to defend himself lyrically against the Alliance because they were the biggest group at that time. But the world was full of so much blood clot lyrics. It wasn't a handicap match, believe me. Although it looked like it was the world boss versus the whole Alliance. Them couldn't manage him, people. Ask anybody no man. And I hype it up, I not laugh with it. Them couldn't manage him. You see what I say? Him deal with them wicked. And the wickedest me ever see a man deal with a crew. You don't think a coup and crew to blood clot. It wasn't a level playing field. It was Vybz Kartel alone with them blood clot bag of lyrics them. And them couldn't maintain that. No lollipop thing that in it till the G rise up even the empire. And the youth them start shell things. You see what I say? The thing them get shell way. Hotter than where LA. No lollipop thing that in it now, no gimmicks thing that in my game nation people. The way how I represent, you know the world boss, a first class thing. No gimmicks thing that in my game. Yo, for the longest while, they look like dancehall, it's stagnant. You see what I say? Because the man them start deal with be a chopping thing, be a goosey thing, be an unnecessary thing. But you see from the world boss drop a road, my brother, all TikTok have a shape up. So all of them look a funny play there, and them look a Dumateski shit the way they go on over TikTok. The world boss are level down all of that. Anytime the man go live, TikTok bloggers have a ball, TikTok users have a ball for look at space. You see me? For the G let go the live because a wicked thing. You see what I say? It come like Michael Jackson at him finest. You see what I say? Yeah, but a dancehall wise I mean. No gimmicks thing in my game nation people the way how I represent. So here I go on. I go big up Vybz Kartel and big up the Gully God said speed. No lollipop thing not dead about it and no gimmicks thing. We know where them are forward from. You see what I say? And for sister, well then after a storm there is a calm. We have to give the 2 brothers them applaud. A maximum respect. You see what I say? Because when you're a big man, you have to act like a big man. You can't act like a child. You have to put away childish things. So here when I say nation people, big up FME, Federal Music Entertainment, Federal Gaza, Chatty Gaza, anywhere you're there large up my brother. Big up the whole of Rosetown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Rima, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Garden, you know, the whole of Arnett Garden. You know the badness go Waterford. When the world boss touch the road, all know they clip them load and overload. People sick of that. The man beg him for to take off him camera for him and stop put it on the internet. Because nobody, no vlogger, nobody at all, no care what them display, when the world boss launch an attack on the internet, remember me tell you, everything collapse. You see what I say? Yeah, all me say a certain type of hype. I look viral moment off of the world boss. Sorry, Harry. See the real Mr. Viral, yeah. You see what I say? You don't go hack like you're viral, you're not. No gimmicks business about it. You know what I mean? You have to cut the monarchy out and cut the show pony business out. No lollipop thing in my game, no gimmicks thing there night. A real way I represent Gaza where there ain't no other way. A one general, the 10 star one I represent. Big up the whole of graveyard shift. What? Hear me, man. Nation people. Oh.